Adam did a lot of things. We have I had to rename really annoying. Polysurface, polysphere,
Mine was line, hair.
The hair was painful.
But like, I was hoping you would see one.
You can see grooves. Unity just treats it as a geometry. It depends on where you see it. Hierarchy or
That's what I touch. There gets to be a lot of parts. I touch it.
When you combine parts and don't use all those parts still there.
That's what you have. She always
Yeah, that render.
After Vinny, after John, otherwise it's very good.
So he won't be around. But he's actually so Nick was on so he's very much
You do know that no worries.
They're both getting more students. We have really good number of European we don't have the motivation.
Hello everyone, welcome to our final presentation. We are Media4orce. My name is Matt Sakatella. I'm the COO of Media4orce.
My name is Christopher Toohey. I acted as the CFO.
My name is Rashad Ahad. I'm with FinalPresPart1.
I'm here to support the subscribe.
Okay, so a little bit about us before we begin. We are all CGT students. Our group is a mock company formed for 411, 450. Also, we are all animation students in CGT. So that was the focus of our semester. So you're probably all wondering what we've been up to this semester, and if we had to sum it up into 2 words, it would be problem solving. We've been looking for the answer to a problem that as CGT students we're all going to face at one point or another. That is the problem of software unfamiliarity. I don't care who you are, if you're a CGT graduate, when you graduate, you're not going to go into your first job and know every niche and crevice of every software and tool you have to use. As we develop our careers, we're going to have to continue to learn as such, any learned software knowledge that we can transfer from one area to another is going to be beneficial to us. That's been our focus for the primary time of the semester, is this idea of knowledge transfer. More specifically, we've been looking at the knowledge transfer between Autodesk Maya and Autodesk 3D Studio Max. A little bit about where our project came from. The idea came based on an internship experience I had at a media production company called Media4orce based in Lisle, Illinois. When I was interviewing for the internship, the president of the company, Derek Shimenti, expressed concern about my lack of 3ds Max knowledge. And I explained to him that the CGT curriculum, they teach Autodesk Maya, and that I really wanted to know the competitive software, but I hadn't had much exposure to it. So luckily, he decided to take me on as an intern. And at the end of the summer, he actually asked me an interesting question. The question was whether I thought that my knowledge in Maya helped me to more quickly accomplish tasks in Autodesk 3D Studio Max, which was the 3D software that they were using. At the time, I thought to myself, good question. And I said yes, but I really didn't know. So coming into 411, that was on my mind. And luckily, there were 3 other individuals who thought that this would be a worthwhile thing to look at as the knowledge transfer from one software package to another. So we got our project off the ground. Our final problem statement is, it is beneficial for CGT graduates to be able to adapt the skill sets learned in the CGT curriculum to other software packages in order to work successfully in industry. We use this to move on to our research question, which is, how does knowledge of Autodesk Maya correlate to the level of difficulty in transferring animation skill to Autodesk 3D Studio Max and vice versa? While the main part of our project was focusing on research, we also had to develop a product. And since we're looking at transferability between skills of different software, we thought, what better way than creating a short, animated short in each software package and try to make them as comparable as possible. This is our final design for our robot character for our animated short. We decided to go with this after some debate over different concepts, mainly because we wanted a character that would be simple enough so that we could accomplish it in both softwares and still leave ourselves enough time to focus on the research, which is what we were really interested in. So this ended up working well. Our character is made in a futuristic factory environment, as you can see, one in Max, one in Maya, on a circular conveyor belt where these machines at the bottom put them together. You can see some of our post-production sketches all the way to final production of those machines. So that's basically the style. And now we're going to actually screen both of our animated shorts side by side. The one on the left is Autodesk Maya, and this one is Autodesk 3D Studio Max. So just sit back and enjoy.